Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I am back with a hop. So this is the Doodlebug Fun in the Park hop. So myself and a bunch of other talented crafters will be sharing all of our projects using this collection, which just came out last month. And we got very excited when we saw it, and so we decided to do a hop just to showcase this collection by Doodlebug. So anyway, I wanted to just share with you some of the projects I came up with. I had a little bit of a hard time because I was coming off of Halloween embellishments and all the other projects that I recently shared. But I did start to get my groove on, maybe like midweek, and came up with a few projects that I could share with you today. I actually have more ideas in my head that I didn't have time to execute. So hopefully maybe throughout the month I'll be able to share other projects using this collection. So be on the lookout for that. But in the meantime, I wanted to just share with you some of the things that inspired me. So I just wanted to have a sticker sheet of something that was part of the collection to show you. But so as I got through trying to figure out what projects I wanted to make, I knew I wanted to do some 3D projects, but I didn't know exactly what. And then I started thinking about what are some of the projects that I've been wanting to do, and that kind of brought me to the first idea that I had, which was to do, let me bring it over here. I wanted to do like a suitcase stack because I've never done this before. So this is the suitcase stack that I came up with, and I used all papers from the Doodlebug collection, and I just kind of winged it. I followed Bambi Deer's tutorial, so I will link her tutorial down below. But then so let me just kind of go through it. So this is a really small one. They can all open, and I probably will fill them with like embellishments and stuff, but I didn't have time to make all the embellishments. So, and look, I'm so proud, you guys. Like, I actually stitched. I remember to stitch on everything. So that's the suitcase stack. And then to decorate it, I used one of the Tim Holtz rosettes, and then I used my Mickey head punch, and then I just got some ephemera from the Chit Chat, and then I made a bunch of these flowers using my flower punch and Nouveau drops. And then on the back, I have, I thought about like, okay, which ephemera would I use? So this is actually from that sticker sheet I just showed you. And I tried to grab all the things that you would use to pack, right? To get ready to go to Disney. So of course you would need your suitcases. That's what this is. It's a suitcase. Nowadays you need a hand sanitizer and a mask, sunglasses, and your phone, right? Those are like the main things that you need. So I thought that that would be cute to add on the back. I did add in more flowers, and then the magical vacation is from the Chit Chat set. So that is the first thing that I made. And then the other thing that I thought would kind of go along with it is you would also need a camera, right? So I wanted to, I've been wanting to make this. This is actually a tutorial by Patty, who is Mommy and Me Crafts here on YouTube, and she did a Polaroid camera tutorial. So, and it's pretty easy. It's just two boxes on top of each other. This one actually slides out. It's a matchbox, so you can stick goodies in there. And then on the top, you have like a flip-flop kind of a box. You can stick goodies in here. So it is fillable. And then on the lens, I did try to make it look like Minnie Mouse. So I did add some extra circles around the lens part. And then I added the bow, and then I added the teacup with the bow. Now my shakers got all stuck along the side, so it doesn't shake very well, which I'm very disappointed about. I did add this gem as kind of like the flash, some flowers. This is like the button you press to take the picture. And then I added some ephemera here, like the park pass and the sunglasses. And then the rest are just flowers. Now to do the slit, my friend Cami actually gave me a die that cuts a small slit like that. And I wasn't sure what to use it for, but I figured that would be great to make this slit so that it looks like that's where the picture will come out for your, like a Polaroid, right? And then to attach the handle, I just used some brads that I had. And then on the back, I did put additional ephemera. So I used the backpack, the monorail pass, and the camera, and then just some flowers. And then this is like an old Mickey Mouse gem. So that's my Polaroid. And then okay, so then when you go to the park, if you don't already have it, then you would want to get your mouse ears. Okay, so I need to make some space because I don't have room already here. I don't have room. Okay, here. Okay, so because it's quite large. So I found a tutorial which I will link down below. So you can buy this cut file. It's actually to make a baseball cap. But instead of just making it a boring baseball cap, I decided to add the Mickey ears, and I thought I was like the first person to come up with that idea, but obviously I wasn't, because I found a tutorial by somebody else who did it, and I can't remember who she is right now, but I will try to link her tutorial down below. And she actually had the cut file for the ears. I didn't end up using it because it didn't work out for me for what, I don't know, it didn't look right, and I think I didn't really quite understand how to use it in my Cricut, but I eventually just made my own ears, and I could make it the size I want, and I figured out how to make the tabs on it. So anyway, so that was just a learning process for me. And then to decorate it, okay, so it's actually a box, so when you open it up you can actually put things in it. Normally the cut file has like a lid, so it's more like a baseball hat, but because it's Mickey ears, I thought it didn't need the hat part, the bail part. And then to decorate it, I just decided to use one of the largest ephemera I could find, which is the castle. I added the word magic and some other ephemera with the flowers, and then I got I had that other, I don't know what it's called, it's like the third ephemera set, and it's a lot of tags, but then there was a lot of the fireworks, which is the reason why I picked that one up. I don't usually get that one, but anyway, I put the Mickey ears in the middle, the Mickey head in the middle, and then I just propped these up on acetate so that it would kind of look like it's floating above the castle, so it kind of mimics like when you go watch the fireworks show. Sorry, my camera is kind of close. I don't know if I can. Sorry, I should have adjusted it, but I am like late on my video. Okay, sorry, you guys are gonna see all of that because I don't know how to edit it. Okay, so anyway, hopefully that's a better view of the mouse ears. So anyway, now I have now you're kind of ready when you get to the park. And then of course the best part about being in the park is eating, right? So oh my god, I'm so proud of this. This came out so cute. So now that I'm like a little bit more comfortable with my Cricut, I actually decided to try and make more things, like 3D type of projects. So sorry, I'm just running out of space because my craft room is a mess. Okay, so I made the ice cream cone. So if you look at the do I have it here? If you look at the ephemera pack, there is a really cute ice cream cone, and I'm sure you saw Christian try to replicate it on one of her lives. And it's just a vanilla cone, but then they put the chocolate chip cookies in it as the ears. And if you ever go to Disney, they always try to make mouse heads in some way or another, like with their food or whatever. Like there's hidden Mickeys all over the place. And so I bought a cut file from SVG Cuts. That's also where the baseball cap cut file is from. And then I watched a tutorial that they had on how to put it together. It actually wasn't that bad. And then I tried to replicate it by cutting it in the same color scheme as the ephemera that I saw. So this one I just did all in white, and then I tried to make the chocolate chip cookies. So I kind of followed the same principle that I did using the hat, where you have to stick the cookies inside in between one of the sections so that it looks like the mouse ears. And then I just for this I punched out 2 eyes using my hole punch, and then this is actually from an old Lawn Fawn die where it has like all the little happy faces, so I just used one of the smiles. And then this is the Nouveau Drops blush, bubblegum blush. I used the same set to make the faces here from the Lawn Fawn die, and then I just used some Nouveau Drops to make the blush and the chocolate chips. And then this one I punched out using the scallop circle punch, so it looks like the cookie was bitten. And then it is a box, so you can put things in there for whoever you want to give it to. But it came out so cute. So I was super happy how that one came out. And then I wanted to make another one using paper from the collection. So this is one of the sprinkle papers. This is what it looks like on the other side. And then instead of using the chocolate chip cookies, I decided to make it look like Oreos. And then it actually comes with this one piece where you can put the cherry on top. And then actually after I did it, I thought, oh, I really should find, I don't have it here. I think I gotta go in my Christmas box. I really should put like a pom-pom instead, like a red pom-pom, and I think that'll look a lot cuter. So, and then I want to put a pom-pom on here too, because I think that that'll look cute. But I think these guys came out super cute. Like, I'm really happy with how they came out. And I told Christian she just has to try use her Cricut, because it's actually not that bad. There's a couple things I had to do adjustments on. Like, for some reason, when you buy these SVGs from outside of Cricut, it doesn't, like, it has the score marks, but then it doesn't cut it at the same time. So you have to kind of put the two files together, and then it was a lot easier. So, you know, it was a little bit of a learning curve for me, but I think I got through it, and I learned something new, and now I'm not as intimidated in using my my Cricut. So anyway, I just wanted to share with you all of the things that I came up with. I'm sure all of the other participants will have a lot of cool projects to share as well. So yeah, anyway, I just wanted to put that out there, and hope if you folks are inspired by using this collection, then if you folks will tag me, and then that way I can go check out and see what are some of the things that you came up with and then got inspired by. Like I said, I have a few more ideas that I wanted to try to execute, but I just couldn't do so in the time frame that I had from when I got the collection till now, because I had other projects going on. But anyway, I just wanted to thank Christian for organizing this hop, and who knows, maybe we'll have another Doodlebug hop in the near future. So I'm not sure who is after me in the lineup, so I will link the whole playlist, or all the links down below, so you can see who you should be hopping to next in this hop. But anyway, hope you enjoyed my projects, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.